Hello Blockeneers, today we are going to demo and review CubeKids. This is a curriculum-based interactive online lesson plan designed by parents and teachers. And if this looks fun to you, you can order it at the link in the description. Today we will be showing you a lesson from the geography unit. What is geography? After making your purchase, you'll be taken to a page with all of the lessons. There you can watch a video on how to use the lesson plan. Now we're going to make our cube kit. We first need paper, a couple of pencils, glue, pencils, eraser, some sticky notes, a glue stick, and scissors. Now we are going to do lesson number 1, me on the map. I can create a basic map of the places I visit each week. First, we download the recipe style lesson on PDF. The ingredients we would need are the cube kit and a ruler or measuring tape. Step 1, prepare. Maybe 2 acres. 6 times bigger. 10 minutes. 4 minutes, not counting traffic. A piece of paper with drawings that show you where to go. National parks. And theme parks to guide you. Draw something to the real size. Now we're gonna watch a video called Me on the Map by Joan Sweetie.
Me on the map. This is me. This is me in my room. This is a map of my room.
A few minutes later.
Just like me. Just like me on the map. The end.
Step number 2, create. Now I'm gonna draw me on the map of all the places that I go every week. Maps. Okay, so this is the map. In the center, there's my house, and there's Taekwondo. Of course, the iconic Snoopy, even though I kind of forgot how to draw Snoopy, even though I took many lessons on how to draw it, and still I forgot. And Snoopy's there to present Knott's Berry Farm. I could have drawn a boysenberry, but I think Snoopy is more iconic. And there's a park there, and then the school, my school. And that's basically it for this map. And of course there's streets, since in the photo that I saw there's streets. And yeah, that's basically all. Step number 3, review. Draw to scale means that you can draw something bigger or smaller. It's just the details have to be still correct. The details are still there, it's just you can draw it smaller or bigger. But if there's more than one drawing, let's say this eraser and this pencil, you were to draw this pencil super small like this, you cannot draw the eraser like super big, like this big, because in real life the pencil will not be smaller than the eraser. In case you're lost, you can find your way out. that is all for the Me on the Map activity. I really enjoyed watching the video and drawing a map of my work. There are also a lot more lessons, such as landform, continents, and ecosystems, with activities including making a homemade compass, doing a road sign scavenger hunt, and building a balloon globe. Once again, if this looks fun to you, you can order this at the link in the description. Bye-bye.